Welcome back to Rome Tips. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're exploring Vertex, found at vertexinc.com. This company provides tax solutions for businesses, and it's crucial to understand how these tools can simplify complex tax calculations and compliance. In today's interconnected global market, managing sales tax, VAT, and other consumption taxes can be a significant hurdle for businesses of all sizes. Vertex aims to streamline these processes, offering automation and accuracy to help businesses stay compliant and avoid costly penalties. They offer a variety of solutions tailored to specific industries and business needs, from small businesses to large enterprises. Whether you're dealing with sales tax within the United States or navigating the complexities of international VAT, understanding the options available is essential for financial health and growth. Vertex provides tools and resources to address these challenges, making it easier for businesses to focus on their core operations rather than getting bogged down in the intricacies of tax management. They claim to offer advanced reporting and analytics capabilities, giving businesses valuable insights into their tax data and potentially identifying areas for optimization. Exploring their website, you'll find a wealth of information on the various solutions they offer, including details on their software, consulting services, and educational resources. It's definitely worth investigating if you're looking to simplify your tax processes and ensure accuracy. Take a look at their case studies and client testimonials to see how Vertex has helped other businesses in similar situations. Efficient tax management is critical for any successful business, and understanding the options available is the first step toward achieving that efficiency. With the ever-changing tax landscape, leveraging technology and expertise can be a game changer, potentially saving you time, money, and unnecessary headaches. Vertex positions itself as a partner in navigating these complexities, and exploring their offerings could be a valuable investment for your business. Be sure to check out the resources available on their website at vertexinc.com and consider how their solutions might fit into your overall business strategy.